Good morning, students. I am Dr. R. Rohini, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Cardamom Planters Association College, Bodinayakanur. Today's topic is limit of a function. What is a limit? What are some examples of limits? Up to now, you have used algebra and geometry to solve the problem where things are basically staying the same or changing at the same rate. Calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with things that are changing. The rate of change at any point on a curve, volume of an expanding balloon, acceleration of rocket ship that is changing every part of a second. One of the most basic and fundamental idea of calculus is limits. Limits allow us to look at what happens in a very small region around a point. Two major of the formal definition of calculus depend on the limits. What is the limit? Definition of a limit of a function. Suppose that the function f of x is defined for all values of near a, but not necessary at a. If as x approaches, f of x approaches the number L, then we say that L is the limit of f of x as x approaches a, and write extends to a limit f of x equal to L. Some graph. No matter how x approaches a, f of x approaches L. Left and right hand side limits. Limit f of x in positives and negatives. Some graphs. A function f of x has a limit as x approaches c. If and only if it has a left hand and right hand limits, this limit one side limits are equal. So left limits and right limits equal to same limits. Some graphs. The limit exists for the function, the limit does not exist for these functions. Some examples of the graph. The limit is a number. The limit can exist even which the function is not defined at a point or has a value different from the limit. Some example, f of x equal to x squared. What is the f of x? Some diagrams. So some examples. F of x equal to x. So equal to x tends to 0, f of x equal to 2, x tends to 4, f of x equal to 5. Some definition of the graphs. Thank you.